Hey, what's up everyone? We're all probably having issues with the latest Trust Wallet updates. Today I'm dealing with the same thing. Let's check out the problem and the fix. So I'm trying to send a small amount of Dogecoin to pay for a service. I open the app, enter the amount, eBatchets, hit send, but as you can see, I'm getting this transaction error message, and no matter how many times I try, it just keeps failing. Alright, let's go to the fix. We're going to uninstall Trust Wallet and install one of the previous versions. Same features, but without the bugs. Super simple. First, we need to enable APK installations. Just follow these steps. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, more security settings, install unknown apps, and enable your browser or your file manager. That's it. Now we download the previous working version of Trust Wallet. We open it and install. It'll ask if you want to scan the app or not. If you don't want to scan, tap More Details and then install without scanning. If you do want to scan, just tap Scan App. I'm skipping the scan to keep this video short. The app is installing now. Now we open Trust Wallet to make sure everything is working properly. I'm going to restore my account and then I'll try to make the transaction one more time. And there it is. I can send transactions again without any issues. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.